This literature kit on The Road by Cormac McCarthy incorporates probing questions and informative vocabulary to create a thorough and useful experience for students. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Gain a raw understanding of the father-son dynamic by exploring the father's sacrifice for his son. Make predictions of the disaster that destroyed the world based on clues left by the author. Identify the meaning of words found in the reading. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as imagining a nuclear winter is approaching, and you must make a plan to stock up your own bunker for survival. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Discuss deviations from proper grammar, syntax, spelling, and punctuation used in the novel. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.